Impact of AI and automation on accounting and finance. Will AI replace accountants? A discussion which is relevant to ACCA students. If you are an ACCA student or working in finance, you have probably wondered, will AI take over our accounting jobs? With automation and artificial intelligence rapidly evolving, what does the future hold for accountants? In today's video, we will explore how AI is transforming accounting and finance, whether it is a threat or an opportunity, and what ACCA students should do to stay ahead. So let's dive in. AI is already revolutionizing accounting, but how exactly is it impacting the industry? Here are some key areas where AI and automation are making a difference. Bookkeeping and data entry. AI-powered tools like QuickBooks and Xero automate transaction recording and bank reconciliation. Audit and fraud detection. AI can scan thousands of transactions instantly to detect anomalies, reducing the human errors. Now, financial reporting. Automated reporting tools generate financial statements faster and with greater accuracy. Tax compliance. AI-based software helps business stay updated with tax regulations and reduces manual tax calculation. These technologies are improving efficiency, reducing errors, and even allowing accountants to focus on higher value tasks. But does that mean AI will replace accountants? So let's talk about it. The big question, will AI replace accountants? The short answer is no, but it will definitely change the role of accountants significantly. Here's why AI won't fully replace accountants. First, complex decision making. AI can process data, but it lacks human judgment and critical thinking for strategic decisions. Second, ethics and compliance. Accountants play a key role in ensuring ethical standards and regulatory compliance, something AI alone cannot guarantee. Third, client relationship. Financial advising, business planning, and consulting requires trust and personal connections that AI cannot replace. Fourth, interpretation of financial data. AI can generate reports, but accountants are needed to analyze trends and even provide business insights. But AI will replace repetitive manual tasks, making accountants more like financial strategists than just number crunchers. What this means for ACCA students. So, if AI is changing the accounting landscape, what does that mean for ACCA students? Well, ACCA has already recognized this shift and included technology and data analytics in its syllabus. Key areas where AI is relevant in ACCA is strategic business leader, that is SBL, covers digital transformation and even AI-driven decision making. Advanced audit and assurance discusses how AI is used in audits and fraud detection. Financial management, it includes the data analytics and AI in financial planning. To stay competitive, future accountants need to develop technical skills alongside their accounting knowledge. This means learning data analytics, understanding AI-powered tools, and improving advisory skills.